So today I did the ChatGPT for marketing with Craig, and I've got to say the course absolutely blew me away. I mean, first of all, I had no idea I can do things like build my brand, have my brand colors, my logo, marketing plan, email campaigns, lead magnet, the list goes on. Absolutely blew my mind. In fact, it's going to help me scale my business, but also not use perhaps somebody's through my branding or email campaigning, because it does it all for me. But had I not done the course, I wouldn't have known how to utilize the system to get the best possible outcome, because it's not just a case of, oh well, buy GPT Pro and you're good to go. You need to know exactly how to use it, and that's exactly what Craig teaches. So thank you so much, Craig. And if anybody is on the fence about doing this course, I 100% recommend it. Thank you.